this is Dr. K. Chennakeshwalu, Department of Chemistry, Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology, deemed to be University, Chennai. Today, I will give you a small demo on how to prepare 1 molar or 1 normal acid solution. Let us take 3 acids. One acid is how to prepare 1 molar solution, 1 molar or 1 normal acid solution. Right now we are having 2 bottles here. One is a nitric acid and one is a sulfuric acid. In each acid bottle, either HCl or nitric acid or sulfuric acid, we will be having 2 important parameters. One is specific gravity, that is density, okay, and one more is assay or purity. These are the 2 parameters we require to calculate the strength of the acids with respect to if we want to represent in normal or molarity. Based on the gram equivalent weight, we will be calculating. Specific gravity of sulfuric acid, we see. For sulfuric acid and for HCl and HNO3. For 3 acids, we are going to calculate the first strength. The specific gravity of the sulfuric acid is around 1.84. And the assay of the sulfuric acid is generally it will be 97%. This is the assay and this is the specific gravity. For HCl bottle, mostly let us 35%, and the density of the HCl is around let us consider 1.14. Right now we don't have HCl bottle in our hand. And if you come to the HNO3, the purity of the HNO3 is 70% and the density of the HNO3 is around 1.4 grams. So we are having a simple formula to calculate the strength of the acids. Generally, the students will feel difficulty to prepare 1 molar or 1 normal acid solution. A simple formula we can use, that is specific gravity into assay divided by molecular weight into 10. If you want to express in normality, we have to write the molecular weight in gram equivalent thing. We will write it for molarity. For 1 molar solution, or otherwise if you want to calculate the strength of the acid in molarity, just this is the simple formula. Specific gravity of the sulfuric acid 1.84 and the purity or assay 97%. Molecular weight of the sulfuric acid is 98. If you want to express it in normality, we have to write 49. And if you calculate, we get the molarity. Similarly for HCl, 1.14 into 35% divided by 36.5. We get the HCl concentration. For HNO3, we have to write 1.4 into 70 by HNO3 molecular weight is 48 plus 15, 53. 16 3 48 and nitrogen 14 and 63. The molecular weight of HNO3 is 63. So if you calculate these things, you will get the molarity. For sulfuric acid, you get 18.2 molarity, and for HCl you get 11.8, that is 1.18 here. For 1.18 you will be getting 11.8%. For HNO3 let us 70%, 28 is 98 by 63. Finally it will be 17.2 around. These are the concentrations of commercially available acids, that is the sulfuric acid and hydrochloric acid and HNO3. For any solution, if formaldehyde or ammonia or any commercially available chemicals, if you want to find out the concentration in molarity or in normality, this is the formula. You can simply specific gravity into assay by molecular weight into 10. You will be getting the concentration in normality. Now let us, if you want to make this 18.2 molar solution into 1 molar solution, what we have to do? Just we have to do sulfuric acid is 18.2 and HNO3 17.2, HCl 11.8 molarity. We can use simple formula, that is V1 M1 equal to V2 M2. Let us, we want to make 1 liter of 1 molar solution of these 3 acids. 1 liter of 1 molar we require. Required acid is 1 molar and required volume is 1 liter. Let us keep V1 and M1 as a 1 liter, that is 1000 ml into 1 molar. And how much volume of the original concentrated acid we have to take? That is the V2. And what is the molarity of the sulfuric acid? Let us first take for sulfuric acid 1 molar solution. We are having 18.2 molar solution, but we don't know how much volume of sulfuric acid is to be taken for preparation of 1 molar sulfuric acid solution. Let us now, if you want V2, it is very simple, 1000 by 18.2. if you are, you will be getting the volume in ml. It's a mostly 18.2 54.94. we have to take 55 ml of sulfuric acid. We have to take 55 ml of sulfuric acid plus remaining 945 ml of water. This will give us the 1 molar sulfuric acid solution. Similarly, for this HNO3, instead of 18.2, we have to keep 17.2. For HCl, we have to keep 11.8. We will get the corresponding value, and we have to subtract that volume from 1000 ml, and you will be getting the, we have to add both acid and concentrated acid and water. We will get the 1 molar solution. Again, from 1 molar solution, if you want to dilute it for 0.5, we can dilute based on the same formula. Even for 0.1, we can dilute it for the same formula. It is very simple, either it is in molarity or normality. This is how we will be preparing the 1 molar solution. Thank you for your attention.